Assalamualaikum. My name is MD Nurzaman Hussain and I am from Ranchondi, Kishoreganj, Nilphamari. I have completed my SSC from Ranchondi BL High School and I have completed my diploma in Computer Science and Engineering from a private polytechnic institute at Rangpur called Image Polytechnic Institute. Now I am studying in BSc in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. I choose software engineering because I am interested in technology and how software works. Today, almost everything depends on software. From phones to business, I want to learn to design, build and manage software that make life easier for people. My hobby is coding. I enjoy writing programs and create new things on the computer. Coding helps me to think creatively and solve problems. I like learning new programming language and building a small project like apps or games. My goal is to become a software engineer because I love technology and coding to achieve this dream. I really need a laptop so I can practice coding, learn new programming languages and work on my project anytime. A laptop will help me to working on my project day by day. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my dream.